Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable the companion mode in Google Meet using xFanatical SafeDock. Companion mode allows participants to join a meeting on a second device, which can be useful for certain situations but may cause confusion, distractions, or disruptions during online classes. For example, students could join from multiple devices, leading to potential audio or video feedback loops, or use the second device for off-task activities. That's where xFanatical SafeDock comes for the rescue. SafeDock can help administrators restrict companion mode in Google Meet, creating a more secure and focused virtual learning experience. By disabling the companion mode, educators can ensure that students are only using one device to participate in the meeting, minimizing distractions, and maintaining a more structured environment. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Meet Companion Mode policy and setting the value to True, you can disable the companion mode in Google Meet easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.